Unemployment in India is on the rise, and I know many of you are facing the impact. Government exams are delayed, and corruptions and bribery issues are making things even harder. In this challenging situation, the TCS NQT National Qualifier Test offers a unique opportunity for unemployed graduates to take the control of their careers. It's a fully off-campus drive with no eligibility criteria. You to about the graduations, CGPA, branches. You can any branches like any batches like BA, Art, Com, engineering graduates. Anyone can apply to this opportunity. I will walk you through the complete roadmap. So make sure to watch this video until end. Okay. TCS NQT exam is conducted by the Tata Consultancy Services. This is an IT company of the Tata Groups. It is a job opportunity. It is not an internship. It is a full-time job opportunity. Okay. Or a single exam will land you to the 10 to 15 different companies. Yes, exams will help you to get a job in a 10 to 15 different companies. Yes, with a minimum salary package of 3 lakh package per annum to 15 to 18 lakh per annum. This is a minimum package and this is a maximum package. The one who are in the TCS NQT exam with a best score can get this. Okay, the first in the IT domain, like TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, the main company which is conducting this exam. The TCS will this is an IT domain companies like Public Sapiens and Emphasis Careers and many more other organization also there. Okay, in the non-IT domain, suppose if you are not coming from the engineering background, like if you are coming from the arts, become BSc background, you can apply to like technology sector like Vedantu, like Upgrad, Whitehat Junior. Those are all the companies also will accept the TCS NQT exam scorecard. Okay, in the home decoration sector, companies like Asian Paints will accept you the TCS NQT exam. Okay, in the BFSI sector, Future General and insurance companies also get the NQT exams. In the FMCG sector, the Titan. The Titan is also a Tata Group company. Like it's mainly focusing on the jewelry section and watch brands. Okay, they also will accept the TCS NQT cleared for their recruitment for process. Okay, like as I mentioned, there is no eligibility criteria to apply to this exam. Okay, so you can apply. Okay, and what is the opportunity we'll getting from this exam? The main, it is not an internship, it is a job opportunity. It is a single exam. IT branches also can apply, non-IT branches also can apply. So best compensation, as I earlier mentioned, it is and one more thing is like there is no coding is there. Okay, if you are coming from the background, suppose you if you are worrying about the coding, so there is no compulsory coding. The coding for all the qualification. So as I mentioned, for the engineering background, is anything is BE, BTech, MEM Tech, BCA, MCA. For non-engineering background like BA, BCom, BSc students can also apply. And like any graduation, like if you are doing the forestry, if you are doing the minimum thing, you need to postgraduates can also apply to this position. Okay, batches 2024 batches can also apply. So this is the minimum batches they mentioned. And final year student can also apply. Suppose if you are studying in the fourth year of engineering or third year of BA, BSc, BCom, you can apply to this job opening. Okay, this is an off campus drive, no application process. In NQT exams, there is a different types of the NQT is there. Like for this is these two exams for the non-IT domains. Suppose if you are coming from BA, BCom, BSc background, if you are not coming from the engineering background, you can apply to this like the exam fees is 600. Earlier it is 800. So maybe because of some discount, they are giving in the 600. Okay, so I think graduates also can apply to this position, but it is mainly the non-IT roles will be there in the across multiple industries. Okay, you can there is no coding. Okay, the coding concept will be not here. Only this is an cognitive skills like app reasoning. Okay, if you want complete preparation guide, like you put it in the comment, I will make a separate video on that. Okay, otherwise this video will be lengthy to apply for this QT cognitive instead of TCS QT with complete preparation pack. Okay, because it is 2000 rupees, but the same exam. Okay, here the preparation pack will be the extra. Okay, if you are engineering background students, the engineering background student can also apply to that also. But if you are coding and other things, you can apply for this is an IT. So here the coding will be there. So here they mentioned the salary range also, 3 lakh package to 8 lakh package. For clearing this exam, they directly by the TCS, okay, the main company which is conducting this exam, they only directly will contact you if you clear the TCS NQT exam with the best score. Okay, if you want to complete the preparation pack, you can apply for this position. Okay, 2300 approximately. So this 1000, like if you are learning from the online resources like YouTube, in the YouTube lot of videos is there. Okay, I will also make a few videos. If you are learning in those things, you can apply just for this one, 900,000 rupees video, 1000 rupees course. This is not okay. In our YouTube channel Delightful Developers, we posted the same kind of opportunities like companies like Zeotap, Qualcomm, Oracle, Arigo, and IBM. All these companies, they are opening for the internships. All these internships are all the paid internships. Suppose if you are not watched, please watch these videos and please subscribe to our channel Delightful Developers for the same kind of content. Okay, press the bell icon to get the instant notification when we upload the videos. How to apply to this position? So apply via official website. So check our video description to get the link. The application process will be apply to the TCS NQT exam. Link we provided in the video description. Then you will get the TCS IN NQT score. After this, apply to multiple jobs on our website. There is a multiple opening is there, or in the IN NQT also there is a multiple openings is there. There also you can apply. Otherwise you can apply to other corporates website also. Suppose Asian Paints website, like Sapient website. Yeah, site. There also you can apply using this same scorecard. Okay. Test date. Okay. 1st December 2024 is the upcoming exam date. This is for December exam. That to apply before the 9th December. Suppose if you did not apply it, please apply as much as early. Okay. And suppose if you are watching this video after this December month, every quarter the TCS NQT exam will be there. So every year 4 exams will be conducted, where this is an exam, but you need to go to the authorized exam centers. Okay, once you are did the complete application process, you will be showed up the authorized exam centers. Based on your you can select the exam centers. Okay, in the next video I will cover the how to apply to these positions. Okay, in the complete step by step I will show it in the next video. Okay, this is an official website. Okay, video description. Have any questions related to this job opportunity, please put it in the comment section. I like these questions. Okay, in the next video I will cover the application process and exam preparation videos. Like this video, please like it, and with your other friends can also apply.